Hello students. Today we shall learn about tenses. You have already learnt about verbs. As you know, verbs are action words or doing words. I shall give you an example before explaining tenses. I do my homework. I did my homework. I shall do my homework. In these three sentences, we have the verbs do, did, and shall do. All the three show different times. Do means now, did means before, and shall do means later. Therefore, the time of an action, that is, now, before, and later, means tense. We have three main tenses. They are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Under each main tense, we have four subtenses: simple present, present continuous or progressive, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Now, we shall take a sentence as an example for all these four subtenses under the main tense, that is present tense. Jia washes her clothes. Jia is washing her clothes. Jia has washed her clothes. Jia has been washing her clothes. The verb washes in the first sentence is in the simple present tense. The verb is washing in the second sentence is in the present progressive or present continuous tense. The verb has washed in the third sentence is in the present perfect tense. The verb has been washing in the fourth sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense. In this tense, has means present, washing means continuous, and been means perfect. In the first sentence, the verb is made up of only one word, that is washes, and so it is in the simple present tense. In the second sentence, the verb has two words, that is washing. The word is shows present tense and washing has ing in it, which means the action of washing is going on, is in progress. The word is also known as helping verb or auxiliary verb because it is helping the verb washing to show that the action is going on. In the same way, in the third sentence, has washed shows that the action of washing is completed. Let me tell you how to understand that it is present perfect. The helping verb has tells us it is in the present perfect. The verb washed has ed in it, but it does not mean that it is in the past tense. We need to see the first word, and the first word is has, not had. The word washed is the past participle or the third form of the verb wash. Present, plus past participle is equal to present perfect. Every verb has three forms. For example, give, gave, given. Take, took, taken. Drive, drove, driven. Wash, washed, washed. Write, wrote, written. Dear students, if you are able to understand this much very well, the remaining two, that is, past and future, will be easily understood. I therefore request you to watch the video attentively. Thank you and God bless you.